If you've been using Claude AI and you haven't discovered Artifacts yet, you've been missing the most powerful feature on the entire platform. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and why it changes everything about how you use AI. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is an artifact? When you ask Claude to build something, an app, a website, a tool, a document, instead of just giving you a wall of code or text, Claude opens a live window right next to the chat. You can click it, use it, interact with it, and download it immediately. No copying code, no pasting into another program, no figuring out how to make it work. Claude builds it and hands it to you, ready to use in seconds. Let me show you exactly what Artifacts can build. Number 1. Working apps and tools. Budget trackers, quiz builders, calculators, to-do lists, project planners, habit trackers. You describe what you want, and Claude builds a fully functional interactive app right inside the chat. This is not a mock-up or a sketch. It actually works. You click the buttons, enter data, and use it like a real application. Number 2. Websites and landing pages. Ask Claude to build you a landing page for your business, and it will produce a complete professional-looking web page with sections, styling, buttons, everything. You can see it rendered live in the Artifact window and download the file to use immediately. For small business owners and entrepreneurs, this alone is worth everything. A professional landing page in under 2 minutes with zero coding knowledge required. Number 3. Documents and reports. Claude can produce beautifully formatted documents, business plans, proposals, reports, contracts, as clean, downloadable files right inside the Artifact window. No more copying text out of the chat and reformatting it somewhere else. Number 4. Data visualizations and charts. Give Claude your data and ask it to visualize it. It will build interactive charts and graphs right inside the Artifact window. You can see your data come to life instantly without touching Excel or any other tool. Number 5. Games. Yes, actual working games, simple ones, but real. Ask Claude to build you a word game, a quiz game, a trivia challenge. It builds it live, and you can play it immediately right inside the chat. This one never gets old. Now here's how to make sure Artifacts is turned on for you. Go to Claude AI and look for the Settings or Feature Preview section. Make sure Artifacts is enabled. If you're on the free plan, you have access to Artifacts. If you're on Claude Pro, like we are on this channel, you get even more usage and priority access. Once it's on, anytime you ask Claude to build something, create something, or produce something visual, the Artifact window will automatically appear next to the chat. Here are 3 prompts you can use right now to see Artifacts in action. Prompt 1. Build me a fully functional to-do list app with the ability to add, complete, and delete tasks. Prompt 2. Create a professional one-page landing page for a personal fitness coach. Prompt 3. Build me an interactive quiz about world geography with 5 questions and a score tracker. Try all 3. Watch what Claude builds. And then imagine what you could create for your own business, your clients, or your side projects. Artifacts is the feature that turns Claude from a chatbot into a genuine creative and business tool, and we've barely scratched the surface of what it can do. This is Claude AI Unlocked, where we give you the real tools to master AI daily. Tomorrow, we're going deep on how to train Claude to write in your exact voice. And if you create any kind of content, that video is going to be essential. Subscribe and hit the notification bell right now so you don't miss it. I'll see you tomorrow.